Alright guys, if you're anything like me in this time of year, being Christmas, that weird time between Christmas and New Year, if the weather's a bit crap, you're going to get cabin fever. So if you're like me, you're going to be itching to get out and have a little bit of a break in the weather. Still windy as anything, but I'm set my squirrel feeder, which is just about there by that tree, 53 yards away. Got the 2.5 FAC impact. Just fixed the O-ring on it yesterday in the valve stem, which is in behind here, and got it all checked up, running properly now. So going to come out now and see if I can get a couple greys. So I looked from a thermal, see a heat signature there, couldn't quite tell what it was, so I decided to look through the scope, and there you are. It's a nice little great spotted woodpecker, female I think. I can't tell because I can't quite see his head. But it's good to see him around the feeders. It's a beneficial effect of having a squirrel feeder out there as you feed all the other wildlife, which is good, especially this time of year. So, been another 10 minutes or so, no squirrel activity. Looking for thermal again. Heat signature down the bottom there is a pheasant, and as you can see in the trees there, lots of finches. All the little songbirds benefiting from having that squirrel feeder there. That lone tree there is teeming with them, and without using a thermal you would never know. So this pest control foray is starting to turn into a bird watching session. It's been about an hour and a half now, and I've had no activity whatsoever on the feeder, which is a bit strange because my trail cam has been going absolutely mental, but sure enough, something does eventually turn up. So Mr. Squirrel is to the left hand side of the feeder up in the tree. Decide to take a little route down to below the feeder where all the spilt grain is and stuff, and as usual I go and mess this shot right up. Didn't check my zero, and totally balls it up. So finally, after what seemed like an absolute eternity, had a squirrel step up to the feeder and present himself for a nice ethical headshot. Down he went. So no more than about 5 minutes later, this chap turns up, and I look through my scope and happen to see, I don't know what I'm seeing there, whether he's having a nibble or fancy a little bit of a hump or something, I don't know. But just about to take the shot, and he decides that he's had enough and he's going to shimmy on up the tree. So plays a little game of squirrel hide and seek with me, I guess. So I want to get myself onto the feeder, get myself nice and steady. At the same time, trying to find out where this squirrel's gone to. And there he is, up the top there. I line up, and I think to myself, no, can't take that shot because he's moving his head too much. So I'm going to wait until he decides to get down. Then there he is behind the actual feeder now. I think maybe I'll go for a shot there. No. So waiting, not too long, and he appears on top of the feeder there, and decides to take the downward route to his death. So the 39 grain WILDMAN hits home, does its job, nice clean kill there, and brings us to the final tally of 3 squirrels for today. It was a long wait, but there you go. You can't all have it, shot after shot. Okay, that was 3 well-earned squirrels for today. Nothing much more now showing, but it's just good to get out, clear the cobwebs, and I'll come back because this feeder is getting to be quite productive, but it's also getting mould. I need to put some maybe some metal lath or some stuff on it that's going to stop it from getting chewed up. They're going at the actual hole there and stripping it out. But it's my first feeder that I've made, so I'm going to maybe adapt it and sort it out from there. But very good. Glad to get out and get some fresh air. But glad you watched, and wait for the next video. Thank you.